If you're finished with your module, you can go up to the package name, the very top of the list on the left-hand side panel, and click Deploy. So you're creating this module in your sandbox. You're going to test it in your sandbox. And then after it's all the way you want, then you're going to move it into your production. And so to move it, you would click Publish instead of Deploy. But we're first going to test it. So after it finishes deploying, we're going to go into Studio, into the Tickets module, and configure the search layout because that's not available in Module Builder. Mainly, we want to add our new field into the availability to search by and build a filter. And we're also going to build a relationship between accounts and tickets. So we want a one-to-many relationship between accounts and tickets. So we're going to go into the primary module that will have the subpanel, and that is accounts. So we're going to do a one-to-many relationship between accounts and tickets, and then save and deploy. The next relationship we want to build is between tickets and all the activities: calls, meetings, notes, tasks, emails, messages. And we do that by going into the tickets module, relationships. We're going to create a one-to-many relationship between tickets and activities. We're going to do them all at one time. Once we have all that other configuration stuff done, we then can go into test modes. We're going to go into our tickets module. We're going to create a brand new ticket, make sure that it has all the fields that you need in the record view, in the list view, and any other related modules. Like you can see here at the bottom, the accounts module is related. Make sure you can see the subpanel on the accounts module also. Once it passes the test, everything looks good, then you'll want to clear out the dummy data in your sandbox, go back to Module Builder and actually publish it, and then use Module Loader in your production instance of Sugar to install that new package or that with that new module.